Hi, welcome. My name is Danielle. I'm an assistant professor of marketing here at Paul College, and I'm here today to tell you why you should study marketing. If there's one area of business we can all relate to, it's marketing. What do I mean by that? Well, have you purchased something online recently? Have you used Zoom? How about told a friend about a recent purchase experience or gone grocery shopping? Have you created a resume? All of this is marketing. And in addition, from the business perspective, marketing is one of the only business functions that creates revenue, it drives demand, and it's the only one that's really customer facing. So you can see marketing is quite broad and relevant to all of us. So you might be thinking that sounds great, but is marketing right for me? The answer is yes, marketing has something for everyone. For those of you who might be more quantitatively focused, there's opportunities like marketing researcher, marketing analyst, competitive analyst. For those of you who are more qualitatively minded, there's options like social media manager, public relations, experiential marketing, and then you can even find opportunities right in the middle that involve both. Now let's talk about why you should study marketing at UNH. Well, first, we offer a broad range of classes. You can see here that you're required to take 4 classes. Then we offer a variety of other classes that you can take to be able to choose topics that interest you and customize your education. There's also the opportunity to work with professors to create your own internships and even design your own class. Although many, if not all of the courses offer experiential learning built into the syllabi, some of our courses especially focus on this, including the marketing capstone class. In this class, students are paired with companies. You can see some examples of ones that they've worked with in the past to solve current and real-life business problems. This isn't even a full list, but as you can see, there's been quite a variety over the last several years. Other opportunities for experiential learning include the Dominican Republic January term class. This is offered in January, in which students go and travel and are able to apply marketing concepts while studying abroad. Outside of the classroom, we offer many programs and clubs, such as the UNH sales program. You could take advanced sales classes, you could earn a sales minor, and there's also different groups that you can become a part of. The Voice Digital Agency is a student-run digital marketing agency where students work with clients to focus on their needs, again, to give students real-world experience. MAC, the Marketing and Advertising Club, is another student-led organization that allows students to connect with business professionals and industry leaders and to compete against other colleges and universities to really practice and refine their skills. And finally, the newly formed National Retail Federation is another opportunity for students to engage in experiential learning outside of the classroom. It also partners with different networking, scholarship, and other opportunities. And all of this experiential learning does pay off, as you can see, with a 94% employment rate. And some examples of companies that our marketing students are currently working for. So to end on a marketing note, here's an unofficial list of the 4 Ps of why you should consider Paul College. Paul College is nationally ranked and is continuing to climb in those rankings. Faculty and staff are proud to be here at Paul College, which ties into Paul Pride, students, faculty, and alumni. Great network with lots of opportunities to connect and interact with one another. And finally, Paul Preparation. Our students leave Paul College prepared to contribute from their first day in the real world. So thank you very much for joining me today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of the marketing department, which you can find here. And I look forward to seeing you around.